Imagine a tree so old, it predates the pyramids. This is Methuselah, a bristlecone pine tree hidden in California's White Mountains, and it's over 4,800 years old. Named after the biblical figure known for his long life, Methuselah has witnessed millennia of history, surviving ice ages, droughts, and wildfires. While empires rose and fell, Methuselah quietly stood, deep in the harsh, rocky terrain. Its secret to survival? A slow growth rate, and the ability to endure in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Its exact location remains a closely guarded secret to protect it from harm. Would you seek out this ancient wonder, or keep its secret safe? Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories from nature.